We all agree with this.
Good morning.
I'm Sanmati School.
And I am Arif.
India has been a agrarian economy for ages. As a nation, what have we done for farmers? Problems such as water scarcity, soil erosions, animals, birds, insects, damaging crops. To give a supporting hand to our warriors, we are here.
This is our project Smart Water Irrigation System, which we have designated as Farmers Electric Arc. It is subtly divided into two components, moisture detector and laser fencing.
The aim of our project is to reduce water scarcity and to lessen soil erosion by stopping unnecessary amount of water supplied to the farm.
The four merits of our project are it is low cost production, easy to operate, easy to comprehend and has a fast response system. The main objectives of our system are it is equitable, consistent, sustainable, cost effective and an adequate water operation system. Some facts related to irrigation are that in India 1/5 of total electricity consumption comes from the groundwater pumping, whereas India uses only 20% of its freshwater agriculture for 40% food supply. In India, 90% of freshwater agricultures are used for agriculture, but China, having more population, only uses 65% of its agriculture for freshwaters. And also, in globally, 15 to 35% of total freshwater withdrawals are come from the lack of sustainability.
Moving on to our first component, which is called the moisture sensor. This is the moisture sensor. This moisture sensor detects the moisture present in the soil. For example, you are out for some business purpose and your farm needs to be irrigated nonetheless. So, due to this, this is the toy, which is a robot. It displays the amount and if the water pump is off. As soon as this is moisture sensor does not detect the water pump, it indicates that the water pump is on and the moisture is low. But as soon as this moisture sensor detects the moisture, it can shows the moisture is mid and the water pump is off.
This consists of some components known as relay module, Arduino Uno, breadboards, female jumper wires, and a water pump motor. It has a LCD liquid crystal display of 16 by 2 centimeter, which displays the amount of humidity under the soil and also tells us whether the water pump is on or off on certain situations. And we have used a moisture sensor which has basically 3 pins, which are signal pin, GNT pin or negative pin and positive pin. And for the second component, laser fencing, something will be brief first.
Thank you. So for the second component, which is called the laser fencing, this is the laser fencing. As I mentioned, there are some intruder or someone trespassing to destroy our farm. So this is the laser fences. These are 3 mirrors connected and they create a laserized border. If someone actually introduces or someone walks in without a permission, a buzzer starts buzzing, because as soon as someone cuts the relays, and this is a ray sensor, and as soon as it stops receiving its ray, a buzzer starts buzzing.
We have used the audible frequency range of under 30 decibels and it has used the principle of FDR, which is a frequency domain reflectometry principle. It has an LDR sensor, which is light decision reflectometry sensor, which tells us whether the laser should be on certain situations, whether a trespasser is intruding field or not. And this was from our project, the technical part of our project. And
so judges, investments in agriculture are the best weapons against hunger and poverty. Through this, we are pretty sure that the smart farming can be considered as a fourth revolution in farming.
The key lies in empowering the smallholders and landless workers, for that makes the true backbone of our rural economy. Because right information at right time can be vital.
आओ शुरुआत करें किसान